Hey, what's up guys? Hoagie here. Today I'm just going to do a quick video and show you guys how I remove dents on two-stroke mufflers. Alright, there's more than one way to do this. So I have this dent blowout kit here. You can order it online. Multiple different places, multiple different styles. I had to put tubes inside because the original rubber was broken. Pretty simple to use. Just fill it up with about 40 psi and start using a torch to heat it up. You can do this with a propane or MAP gas torch, but it does take a while. I go around the edges of the dent and make sure the whole dent is glowing red. Be careful, you don't want to cut through the muffler. As you are heating the muffler up, you are causing the air pressure inside of the muffler to increase, so be careful. It is possible to blow out a weld on one of these. And if you heat it up too much, that rubber on the blowout kit will end up leaking. So like I said, try to go around the dent, get it red glowing hot, and then you can move off of it just to let it cool down for a second. You should be seeing the dent slowly come out. If you have multiple dents, you can get both of them red hot and keep moving from one to the other, which definitely helps from getting that one area too red or too hot. Some small dings are very hard to remove. I'm usually trying to just concentrate on the large structural problems. As you can see, these couple dents are removed, but there's one little ding in the center of that top large dent still. I think we're just going to leave that there. Oh, here's another nice dent. Let me show you how I get this one out. That dent turned out well. Once done removing all the dents, you can start letting the air out of the pipe. Be careful though, the air is extremely hot and sometimes will come out in black liquid form. It also smells terribly. Some pipes come with pre-made dents, just like this one has in it. Be careful not to heat those dents because they are there for clearance reasons. Also, like I said before, I've been cutting old used tubes and using them to seal the pipe blow kit. The red rubber is the original from the kit, but as you can see, it's all cracked and this one leaks. So I just started cutting tubes and putting them in the place to seal the pipe. Sometimes there will be waves in the spot where you heat it up. It'll never be 100% perfect again with this kit, but at least you can get a lot of the large dents out. You can tell it's a little wavy right here where I heated it up. There's still some small dings left in the pipe, but that's okay. Afterwards, I always shine the pipe with Scotch-Brite, trying to clean it up as best as possible. This pipe was extremely rusted when it came in here. It was definitely neglected for a long time. Looks a million times better than it did before, that's for sure. I heated up the welds just quickly, just to give it a little extra flair. This pipe will need maintenance every single ride because it is raw. There is no protection. But that's really all it takes if you have one of these kits. Fill it with air and start heating it up, whether you have acetylene torch or propane or MAP gas. You can still get it done. Thanks.